It's Catherine McGinnis with Soaping 101. I'm pleased to partner with the Handcrafted Soap and Cosmetic Guild to bring you a design video on how to create an ombre soap. This technique works best when a slow-moving soap recipe is used. We will need as much working time as we can get. There are 5 key ways to ensure a slow-moving soap recipe. First is that we need to know a little bit about the properties of oils. Oils with short-chain fatty acids consisting of lauric and myristic acids saponify fastest. Shorter carbon chains are more water-soluble and react quickly with the lye. Examples are coconut, palm kernel oil, and castor oil. Whereas oils rich in unsaturated fats move slower, allowing for more working time. Examples of these oils are olive oil, avocado oil, and high oleic safflower oil. When creating a slow-moving recipe, be sure to use a high percentage of unsaturated fatty oils balanced with a smaller amount of those with short-chained fatty acids. Other contributors to a slow-moving recipe are the temperatures of your oils in lye water. The cooler they are, the more the working time you will have. Water content. Using a water discount will speed up trace. Look for a non-accelerating fragrance or essential oil. Using a stick blender makes easy work of blending your oils in lye water, but too much blending will accelerate trace. For a slow-moving recipe, mix just until emulsified. Let's begin creating our ombre soap design. The recipe I'm using contains 65% olive oil, 30% coconut oil, and 5% shea butter. I'm using no water discount, and my oil and lye water solution is at room temperature, which is approximately 70 degrees. I'll pour the lye water into the oils using the flat edge of my spatula. This disperses the pour so that no water splashes back at me. Here I'm adding my non-accelerating fragrance oil, and I will begin to blend. You'll notice that I'm making short and quick pulses of my stick blender, rather than running it on full constant speed. I want to emulsify the mixture, rather than blend it to a full trace. The soap batter is then divided equally into 2 portions. I chose teal as my base, so I'll add in the mica that has been hydrated in water. To the other container, I'm adding titanium dioxide, hydrated in water. I'll blend in the color with a spatula instead of a stick blender to keep the soap batter from thickening. The ombre design is one that gently moves from dark to light in layers. So I'll pour my first base layer of teal. I'll next add the white portion to my base picture. The amount I'm adding will replace what I poured into the mold. I'll blend well, and once again I'm using my spatula to disperse. This time, it's so that the layer I'm pouring will lay on top of the one that's already in the mold. I'm trying to keep the new layer from breaking through. However, if it does, it's okay. I'll repeat this pattern until all of the white portion is mixed with my base. You will notice how each layer becomes lighter and lighter, and my soap batter stays fluid and pourable. My soap has 7 layers, but you could make more or less. The choice is up to you. Because of the high amount of unsaturated oils and the slow saponification rate, it may take more than 24 hours for my soap to become hard enough to unmold. After pouring the final layer, I'll tap the mold gently on my work surface to release any trapped air bubbles. Be sure to leave your soap in an undisturbed area that is safe from pets and children. Here is a look at the finished soap. Enjoy your soap making journey and be sure to check out the HSCG Resource Center for more helpful videos and information.